Can you crawl? Look at here's your snail. Toot 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 toot. Come get your snail. Come get your snail, my love. Come on.
No eating of anything harder than a soft roll with no filling. No one wants to hear you crunch, chew, or masticate in any way. Nachos.
Come on. Come get it.
And are of the devil. No slurping of drinks. You've already drunk a 5-litre flagon of pop. You really don't need the melting ice too.
Come get it. Come get it. Come get it. Yay! Don't eat floor. Oh.
Russell-O-Matic extra Russell bags. No foraging of any kind. If you're going to need it,
There's my girl. Aha! Great success! Yay!
Irresponsible parenting.
Dun dun dun! You did it!
You are using the cinema as a babysitter. Your child's moaning, whinging, and crying is your fault.
I'm gonna eat the antennas on this snail. Ow, 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 ow.
Child's nightmares are also your fault and serves you right.
Elizabeth! Hi! Yay! There's the little crawler. There's the little crawler.